Note that we have a better understanding of local area network and wide area network. The role of a network router. Let's explore basic security configuration. In the previous lecture, we introduced the role of the router in setting up a network. We also have suggested that connecting your modem directly to your computer was not a good practice. Well, not only does the router help you connect multiple devices to your network, it also significantly enhances your network security if configured correctly. Even if you only have one computer hooked up to the other, router allow you to control the data packets that are allowed to enter your local area network from the internet. The reason is because all incoming and outgoing data packets must travel through designated ports on your router, and that reports within the context of the internet can be thought of as data pipeline that is configured on your network. Some router ports can be opened or closed to allow or restrict the movement of data packets. The data packet associated with various protocols that we discussed, such as HTTP, SMTP port 3, FTP ports number, are assigned to a numerical value when created. For example, we are generally handle incoming and outgoing data required transmitted through HTTP viewing and hosting web pages. Any other example is port 25, which handles data transmitted to SMTP for sending email. Port 21 is used for exchanging file over the file transfer protocol or FTP. Router also have built-in firewall. These are known as hardware firewall can are very effective in protecting your network security. A firewall is a system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from a network that can be customized to meet your network needs. In addition to a hardware firewall, a software firewall can also be added for additional layer of security. Most operating systems come with the built-in software firewall, such as a Windows firewall. A software firewall prevents data packets containing malicious content from entering your network. This type of firewall can be installed on your computer if there is one present already. Firewall configuration can block certain ports from transmitting data or block specified applications from transmitting data packets. This illustration, we can see that firewall on this computer does not allow the application Skype, ICQ, or Viber to communicate with the internet. If the user attempts to transmit data packets through these applications, they will be blocked by the system software firewall. Let's take a look at the second example. The second computer has no firewall. The user attempted to send an email to Bob using SMTP port 25. The email data packet successfully travels past the router and through the modem to sender the ISP. The ISP successfully delivered the message to Bob's email server, obviously work and attempting to connect to his email provider server to check his email. He does not realize that his employer has blocked port 110, the default port for incoming mail over POP3. As a result, he is unable to receive his email messages. Note that software firewall are not as effective as hardware firewall. Much of the effectiveness of a software firewall depends on the overall configuration of your operating system in all applications that are installed. Sometimes downloading a Trojan or viruses by mistake can open a backdoor into our network, making the software firewall meaningless in the line of defense. A hardware firewall, on the other hand, is not as vulnerable because it is not affected by security threats installed on a computer within a local area network.
गेट साइटमेंट को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि इस जैसी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहें।